Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change taskbar behaviors in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open the settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar Behaviors, you can adjust the taskbar alignment, and check or uncheck Automatically Hide the Taskbar, Show Badges on Taskbar Apps, Show Flashing on Taskbar Apps, and other options based on your preference. There's also an option to adjust Combine Taskbar Buttons and Hide Labels. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.